Hello everyone, welcome back to another fishing video. We are at another one of my favorite lakes that I have not been to in a while. Brought the boat this time and we got to set it up, get in here and see if we can catch dinks or maybe some crappie or something bigger. Stay tuned, got to get the boat in the water. Whew. Unfortunately, we got like 50-mile-an-hour winds today. Hopefully the audio's not too bad, but at least the camera won't die. Alright guys, I had to go back home because I forgot this key component here with these things. We had cleaned out the garage and moved some stuff, and I guess as I didn't see them, I forgot them. Back in business. All right. Alright, so we're good to go. I bought some stuff with me. Good stuff with me. Some good hooks. Not very big hooks, but we're gonna obviously stick with the Huggermite. Stick with what's been working. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put other stuff on as well, but for now I'm gonna try these new hooks. I got them from Amazon. That's what they're called. I think they're small, but they're a good offset, and I like that. They're weighted as well, but perfect, and it's not a very flimsy hook as well, which is what I'm always looking for. I want to try that side over there, and we'll see. We're moving pretty quick actually, so hopefully we don't drift too fast. Hopefully the wind is not too bad with the audio. Let's cast out there, get this line out, and see what we do. We're at 10 feet right now. We'll see what happens. Definitely going to be a challenge to fish because the wind is just taking me all over the place. And I can't cast everywhere. Obviously, you don't want to cast towards the wind. You want to cast. You don't want to cast towards the wind. You want to cast with the wind, and that's going to be a tough thing to do today. Again, it's been a while, and as you can see, unfortunately, it's just been very windy, but I'm excited. I'm very happy to be out here, even if I don't catch anything. It's just nice to be out again. It's been a month, about 3 weeks, I think. Actually, today would have been a month, but it's been a minute, and it's just nice to be back out. I'm gonna put this spinnerbait on this one. We'll see what happens here, and then I'll switch over to something else. For this one, the ugly stick carbon, we're gonna use the a shallow crankbait. We'll see how that goes as well, but we'll try to hit this spot a little bit, and hopefully we can capitalize on a fish. But this is a good crankbait, very shallow crankbait, like 4 or 5 feet deep, which is absolutely perfect. And then for the big one, for the big rod, Big Daddy, we're gonna try to use the foreplay that we have. I might actually try to get rid of the, because we have a wire leader. I don't think we're gonna need it, and the reason I have it is just in case like a big old pike or a pike shows up, and that'll be nice, but I haven't seen any pike in here. That doesn't mean they're not here, but I have not seen pike. My boat, this boat is Intex 5 Excursion. It's an Intex Excursion 5 trolling motors, Newport, 55-pound thrust. Really good setup. And then these were like $100 for the pack, 2-pack. My wife actually got those for Father's Day for me, because those at least have a backrest. I think that's a fish. Yeah, I wasn't sure if that was a fish or not. Get him in the boat. Oh, he got off. That's okay though. That was my fault. I didn't set the hook the way I should have. Let me check these. Oh yeah, these are super sharp, so I know it's not the hook. It was me. Man, I should have just got them in quicker. That's all right. It happens. I haven't really used this rod just because for a medium heavy, it's a little flimsy, more flimsier than I would have liked. It's a 2-piece. Everything else I have is a 1-piece, but it's been pretty good. I think I got one. Yep. And the spinner bait. Get in here, please. Yes, sir. Okay, the spinner bait. All right. That's probably what they're gonna prefer right now too, like these type of baits, which is absolutely awesome. And this is, I actually got this also from Amazon. This is the one that you can use with this, with the little caps that they have. But this is small, but I'm happy with this. I caught a fish today, and that's awesome. I didn't get skunked. So I love these guys, I really do. Of course I want to get that huge one, but this is awesome to me. Very nice. And you notice I cast there with the same area. I cast with the crankbait, and I didn't get a bite. I cast this over there, and I got a bite. So I'm gonna let it sink a little bit and then reel in. That's a good sign to me that maybe this is what they prefer, and this is probably what you want to stick to. If I would have caught something with the crankbait, hey, I'd stick with the crankbait until I don't catch anything. But if whatever you're throwing is working, just like I told Cody in the last video that I posted, just like I told him, whatever's working is what you want to stick with. If that's what's working for you, stick with that. If the Hellgramite's working for you, stick with that. If the stick bait is working for you, stick with that as well. I've had so much success with the stick bait, with the Sinkos. That's how my brother got me started. I love it. That's a fantastic bait for new fishermen as well. Hellgramite, also for experienced fishermen, it's pretty good as well. And I don't know if that was a hit, but yeah, if whatever's working for you, whatever you've caught fish with before in the past, stick with that. Let's try to cast it back out there into that location. Actually, I'm gonna try to cast it right in between that stuff, like right there. Got one, I think. Yeah. So this guy's not that big, and it was instant, so we're gonna muscle him in. See how that hook sick was. Yep, right through, right here. He probably could have gone off too, but another little one. And good old Mr. Helvermite. Oh yeah, they're small, but again, I love them, man. Oh yeah. Kind of had a feeling they were going to be around that area. As soon as it hit the water, I'll probably have to retie soon. As soon as it hit the water, I felt it. I don't know if that's a fish or not. Is that a fish? Oh yeah, it is. Ah, he got off. I wasn't sure if that was a fish. It just felt like I hit vegetation over there. That's crazy. Yep, I had a feeling that was gonna happen. I had a feeling. Alright, I'm gonna retie and get back in it. There's a fish. Little guy. But we got him in. That's what matters. I think he came up and got it. But on good old Mr. Helvermite. These guys are small. You can put them in my pond. But they're so healthy. Like a 2-pounder like that is a healthy 2-pounder. There's a bite. Yeah, that's a good one. Little guy. Little guy. I felt like a good one. Maybe he wasn't as good as I thought. I see the guy. There. Very healthy though. Small but healthy. Try to keep it on that side then. I knew the jig was going to produce. It's one of those lures that it's just real good, so I can't complain about that. Got him. Got this little guy. Felt some thumps. I wasn't sure if it was a fish or not. Nice. So just call me the Dink King. Yeah, it's been crazy to try to keep up with the wind, knocking my boat all over the place, but it's all good. Doing a little bit of trolling with the rooster tail there, and see what happens there. I think I caught something. Finally. Even if it's small, I'm happy for it. Oh, nice size crappie. That's a keeper crappie there. Look at that. Keeper size crappie. Very nice. Very, very nice. We're gonna reverse back here. I shouldn't, but I'm gonna try it. On that way. I'm gonna pick up the anchor and then kind of drift and probably call it a day already. That's a fish. Yeah. Alright, good. One on the chatterbait. First time on the chatterbait ever as well. Very nice. See, like this right here. I wonder who did that. I'm hoping it's like a pike or something. That'll be nice. That was a nice hit. That felt real nice, actually. There's a good fish. Please don't come off. Whew. That was instant, guy. That scared me. That was instantly right there. Spinnerbait. Very nice. That scared me. Holy cow. Let's go backwards, shall we? I was not expecting that, but that scared me big time. This guy was relaxing over there. Man, he scared me. Wow. Let's try this over here. Huh. I wonder if that was a hit. That looked like a hit to me. The lure went, like, got kicked to the side. Like if it got hit. Another one, I think? Yeah. Okay. This might be the one that was going crazy. Fantastic. I'm hoping the bite might be turned on already, which is great. I personally prefer to fish the afternoons instead of the actual mornings themselves, but I mean they all have their pros and cons. Well guys, I think that's going to do it for today. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support. Please consider liking and subscribing. Don't forget to leave a comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.